Good evening, students. Today we are going to start integration by parts. Type 5. We know that d by dx of uv, d by dx of uv is equal to u into differentiation of dv plus v into differentiation of d. This we have already studied in 11th standard. For two functions, u and v are two functions of x, then differentiation of uv with respect to x is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Now our subject is to integrate on both sides, that is integrating what we got as differentiation on both sides. We get integral d of uv is equal to u into dv plus v into d. Integrating on both sides, we get this. Again, integral of d uv is equal to uv, u dv plus v dv. On simplification, this u dv is taken to left hand side, uv is there, and therefore u dv is equal to uv minus v du. uv minus v du. Next part, islet. Why you are using this islet? Sometimes we cannot directly integrate the functions. We may get the problem which could not be integrable directly. Hence we make use of this islet formation. I means inverse, L means logarithm, A means algebra, T means trigonometry, and E means exponential. We can choose u, the function u, as the first function which comes first in the above word, and take the remaining part as dv. Next, third one is Bernoulli's formula. If u and v are functions of x, then integral u dv is equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus etc. Where u dash, u double dash, u triple dash are successive derivatives of u, and v1, v2, v3 etc. are repeated integrals of v. This is just for our convenience. We have taken this dash, 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 here 1, 2, 3 etc. to identify very easily. 1, 2, 3 is for integration, and dash, double dash, triple dash are for differentiation. Now we shall integrate log of x whole square into dx. This is the question given to you. This comes in type 5. We have to take which has to be taken as u. As we have already given a suggestion in islet, I for inverse, L for logarithm, A for algebra, T for trigonometry, and E for exponential. In this order, which comes first? What comes first here? Logarithm of x. Log of x is the function, and therefore it has to be taken as u. That is to be taken as u. So here you can take, let u is equal to log x the whole square, and dv is equal to simply dx. The remaining part has to be taken as dv. Now on integrating this, you get v, and on integrating dx, you get x. Let it be. Now you come to this. Differentiating du is equal to twice log of x. Again, log x has to be differentiated. That is nothing but 1 by x into dx. Now the formula. Now we know integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. You got all the values here, u value, v value, dv value, and du value. Now we have to substitute here as instead of uv, x into log x into log x the whole square minus integral v. What is v here? X. Du. What is du? 2 into log x into 1 by x dx. Now this x and x gets cancelled. Here on simplification you get log x the whole square minus 2 can be taken out, integral log x into dx. Again we cannot integrate here. We have to go back to integration by parts. Now you take again u is equal to log x, remaining part only dx. Therefore that should be taken as dv, which is nothing but dx. On integration again you get this as v, which is equal to integral of dx is equal to x. Now differentiation of u is equal to 1 by x du by dx. The dx is taken over here as dx. Now this is equal to x into log x whole square minus 2 into, again we are making use of this formula uv minus vdu, that is uv, that x into log x minus vdu, that is uv minus vdu. Integral v du is 1 by x dx. These two gets cancelled. Therefore here x into log x the whole square minus 2x log x minus into minus plus integral of dx is equal to x only, that is 2 into x plus arbitrary constant is c. Again I will tell you here, x into log x the whole square minus 2 into x into log x, 2 into x into log x minus into minus plus 2 into integral of dx is equal to x only. On simplification you can also rewrite this as taking x common, then this becomes log x the whole square minus x is taken out, 2 into log x. 2 into log x can be written as log of x square. Already we have taken one x, therefore only 2 remains here, plus c. This is the answer part. Next we shall see, that is another example. Evaluate x cube into e power x. Integral x cube into e power x dx. Here we are going to make use of Bernoulli's formula. As we have already told that what has to be taken, u is algebraic function comes. Exponential come in last stage. So algebraical function, let u is equal to x cube and dv is equal to e power x into dx. As we already told that integral of dv is equal to v. Integral of dv is equal to e. Then integral of e power x dx is equal to e power x only. For any function e to the power of x on integration, the same function remains. Now you got u here, u dash is equal to 3 times x square and u double dash is equal to 6x and u triple dash is equal to 6. When you get constant, you just stop at this stage. Here v1 That means integration. V1 means integration. Integration of e power x is equal to e power x itself again. Integration of such repeated integration, that is again e power x. V3 is equal to e power x. Now we got u dash v1, u double dash v2, u triple dash v3. Where using Bernoulli's formula, we can take this integral of u dv is equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus etc. Therefore, x cube e power x dx is equal to uv, that is x cube e power x minus 3x square again e power x plus 6x e power x minus 6 into e power x. 6 into e power x. We cannot proceed further because it stops at this stage. Now we have e power x in all these terms common. You can take e power x and x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 6 plus arbitrary constant c. Arbitrary constant c. Now we are going to see the integration by substitution. Integration by substitution or change of variables. Change of variables method. Change of variables method. Now, taking this type 6, we shall take this type 6. Number 1, integral fx whole power n f dash of x into dx is equal to f of x over n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Then number 2, integral f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to log of integral plus c. This we have already seen the previous method. Number 3, integral f dash of x by root of f of x into dx is equal to twice root of f of x plus. If you know all these formulas, you can very well do all the problems whichever given to you. Integral, this is one of the important formula, e power x f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Then fifth one, integral e power ax a into fx plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power ax fx plus c.